Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom with Kentucky Powersports. We're out here on our back dock. As you guys may know by now, a lot of the dealerships around town, or a lot of Honda dealerships, are actually running low on inventory. We've actually got some stuff coming in. I know we've got some customers that have been interested in them. I've got a couple 700 Pioneers, two-seaters that are just getting delivered today. Let's see what color we got. I think they're red. Yep, Ray, our service manager, is bringing off a red two-seater. This is a non-power steering unit. I got another one coming right off behind it. Another red two-seater non-power steering unit. Now, we were out of these things just this past weekend. You want to make sure you stay tuned to Kentucky Powersports because we're going to be getting deliveries like this all week long. I expect to see some Talons in here, some camo 5-seater deluxes. Those are all units that we've been out of. There's a lot of dealers around town, or like I said, in the state of Kentucky, that are running out of completely everything. We were lucky we were able to get our hands on a few things. Honda did open the plants back up last Friday, I believe it was. They started sending people back to work. Although they furloughed 22,000 people, they're still bringing them back just a little bit at a time. So a lot of these units are going to be hard to get. We're going to have them here at Kentucky Powersports. Feel free to call myself, call Cole, check our videos. We'll do some more of these as we get stuff in later in the week. Thanks for watching our videos. Come on out to Kentucky Powersports. We'd love to see you.